Alright guys, welcome back. It's the next morning and welcome to the video. So you guys saw what it was like. Today's gonna be a very fun day. We don't know what's gonna happen, but we're just gonna take things as they go. We're gonna first go to Hoover Dam for sure, and then maybe some other places. Currently around 10 o'clock. We slept at like 1 o'clock yesterday, so we slept at a pretty late amount of time, so that's why we waked up so late. But you can see the view, guys. Everything's good in the other room. So anyways, I'll see you guys when we're heading out. Checkout is at 11 and it's 11:06 right now, so we're heading out. Alright, I'll see you guys when we're going down.
Nothing. That's it, finished now.
Yeah. Heading to the elevator. Alright, so we're inside our car. We're gonna be heading to Caesar Palace and just exploring Las Vegas a little bit more before heading to Hoover Dam. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Just letting you guys know we're heading out, so let's go.
Just 99. Sonam, you okay? Wait, call.
We're at the Bellagio parking. We'll see you guys when we're heading out. Bellagio Valet. Alright, we'll see you guys inside the building. Alright guys, well here we go. We're going to be going into Bellagio and the main lobby. We're going to be exploring everything downstairs and just checking it out. It's the first time for Grandpa and Agula, so we're just going to be exploring, and then we're going to be heading over to Caesar's Palace to check out some of the stuff there too. Let's go. You want to play the casino with Mimi? They lost $20. Wow.
Alright y'all, well this is about the end of Bellagio. Now a little bit up further here, there's actually a bridge, and it's a pretty big one that connects from here to Kisar's Palace, so it connects the two hotels in a way. And I just wanted to show you this because there's actually a lot of designer stores like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Dior, like you guys saw. Anyways, after that bridge, there's also a lot of like shops like these in Kisar's Palace, so you guys will see that later. Anyways, let's go.
Alright guys, we're gonna go and head over to Caesar Palace. Gordon Ramsay's restaurant right there. Hell's Kitchen. Hell's Kitchen, Gordon Ramsay.
상한테 전문으로 셰프 카 여기지 매야 되네. 상한을라. ramsa me parang da or TV da mo tengo por. Kana what the kero 셰프 ramsa the chiksa.
That's his kitchen, right?
Alright guys, well here we go into the Forum shops, and these shops are actually pretty famous for not only their stores but also for their display. There's actually a fake sky above. You guys will see. Both uncle and grandpa are gonna love it.
창문 란 안에 공부가 뭐죠? 왜라고 그러는
You can buy them on my phone right here. We're going back because we're a little hungry, so I'll see you guys when we're eating.
We have actually came here before a few years ago. We've been to Las Vegas multiple times, and this was a lot more different a few years ago. There was like a whole river with boats and stuff, and so that's what we were expecting walking in here. So I'll actually put some photos of how it used to be like a couple years ago. You can see how much more different it was. It was a lot more lighter, but now it's a little bit more darker. But guys, it's like changed a lot. Anyways, we're trying to find an eating place. We're not sure where we're gonna go yet, but we ended up walking around and exploring a little bit more.
Alright, we're leaving. We're trying to eat inside Hell's Kitchen. Okay, anyways, we've decided we're gonna go to Panera Bread, so we'll see you guys there. We've already seen all this, so I'll see you guys at Panera Bread.
야가 요놈이 차와라. 누가 요놈이 장이란 게 딱 기바디 요거도 너무 좋나. 저거 뉴욕 가라래. 진짜. 이거는 얘는 그나 아우기 실라 스트로베리 아예 님 비프야. 이 스트로베리. 이 때문에 맹고. 저거 맹고야. 500만.
Ooh, it's hot outside.
Okay, now we're gonna be heading to Hoover Dam. I'll see you guys on the road. 112 degrees.
11 bona. 111. Sara I
Look at all these solar panels, guys.
That's it.
Alright, y'all, we ended up stopping at this vista point, and let's check it out. We're about 10 minutes away from Hoover Dam. Let's see the lake.
출대와 뭐 쳐, 모대랑 쳐. 멀르시리.
리가 냐리 리가 냐라. Hoover Dam in Lake Nero.
Alright, y'all, we made it to Hoover Dam. Let's go! So this is a little to the side of the actual main entrance, and it's a hike where you can go up to a bridge and look over Hoover Dam. You guys will see the great view. Let's go. Now, while this view is amazing, funny thing is, I actually dropped my hat. It flew above me while I was taking a picture because the wind is so strong and the fact that it's so hot. We're going to try to go down and get it, but let's see what happens.
I dropped my hat down there. We're gonna go back to the car now. Back in our car without my hat.
Man, this is all beautiful and it's all a new experience, but the only bad thing is it's so hot out here, guys. It's like 110 degrees. It's almost unbearable. That's why Grandpa and Sonoma were in the car while we were going up that bridge, man. It's so hot in here. It's unbelievable. But anyways, we're coming close to where I dropped my hat.
Hat is right there.
That's just crazy. The fact that it dropped so high and it stayed in the same exact place for around 20 minutes.
No, it's good, it's good.
Good, yeah.
Arizona.
이는 다 디에르즈는 기시라 팩서.
아니 드니 에르전네
에르즈는.
드니 야라
아, 디니 할라 에르즈는.
유참 말어
Okay, we're just gonna stop here. The view isn't gonna be that good because the sun is shining from over there, so you're not gonna be able to see that much. But let me show you guys what I mean. It's freaking hot, guys. It's like 107 or 8 degrees. But yeah, you guys saw it from before. It's a better view from up there, but this is what it looks like from here. I was here actually when I was like 8 or 10, so it's kind of nice being back here. And so we're probably just gonna relax a little bit. I need some water. I'm hella thirsty, so.
아유 와한
Matoto. Ja.
저렇게 도와대 힘을 도와
So hot.
저렇게.
그거 맞다 이제
Okay, now we're gonna try to find a hotel. We're probably gonna go to a one in Boulder City. Alright guys, we've stopped here in the corner a little bit. We're trying to book a hotel room, and I think we have. We're gonna be going to a city in between Las Vegas and where we are right now. It's gonna be called Boulder City, and we just booked a hotel. So we'll see you guys in the hotel on the way. Quick gas station stop, guys. Anyways, the hotel is called Lake Mead-In, and it's a pretty small hotel. We didn't really like the hotel before because it was like, what do you think, Amma? It's like too much noise, right? And so we've gone to
like the city, you know.
Yeah, so gone to a little bit more quieter place. We'll actually see you at the hotel right now. Let's go.
신다리야 발코니. 농담이야. 덱샤. 아이 우유지 않죠? 니들 깔끔 같아. AC. 네 아이라 계실라지.
AC 맨날
AC래요. AC 매발이
AC 담당 기도가 당직이야
맥다.
This is perfect, right? Okay, so that's one room, and then there's another room, 221, right? Right here, 221. Let's check it out.
좀 해야 돼. 뒤에 야고 좀. 민영. 빼요. 안 나가다. 그런 얘기 봐봐. 네.
I think this one has a better view. Oh, this one is better.
뒤치아도 드디어 따서 야도 돼. 뒤룸 뒤에 야도 됐어. 야, 파기 돼 있는지 모르. AC 방. 일단 세컨드 플로어 가보자. 세컨드 플로어래.
세컨드 플로어래. 와, 만
그래도 안 돼.
되게 아이
더 나를 주세요.
난답니다. 고보 네 아이는 메밀하면 벌써. 거다 끼봐라.
나를 너무다.
그 맞네. 그래서 AC. 아니네. 더다면서요.
근데 소담 때문에 누구다.
아, 저 희번 감사합니다. 소리야키.
야, 대박이야.
좋아, 라이 좋아.
대박이야.
깜네. 앉아, 왜 못하나요?
차이나, 저.
그럼 너다. 진짜.
너. 내가
나 편 잡으면 난
Tapi pilih kerja dah, udah cakap. Oh, ngapa macam apa? Jangan bisa.
기시가 좀
내가 사스
미역국 시아사 이거 그 제일 나지면 내가
Tunggu kalau orang jual itu. Ay, apa nak?
그런 거 이런 거에서 그래
버시안 핫
아무것도 없어
Dikasih.
Alright, y'all. Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next day.
너무 남겨 맞춰서